In order to do this, you need to create a terrain object, like my floor decor, and create another object, like my move screen. For both of these objects, you need to add the sticker behavior. Make sure to click apply. Also, if you have any other objects that are displayed on screen, they also need the sticker behavior. And then after that is done, you can go to your event, and at the beginning of the scene, make sure all objects have the object stuck to your terrain. If you do it the other way around, it will not work properly. Also, you need to add a couple of conditions. The touch or left mouse down for this condition. Stick your terrain to your other object. Trigger this once as a subcondition. Center camera on the move object, which is move screen. And then you need to add this condition. Touch or mouse down, invert condition. This means if the mouse is not down or you're not touching, unstick floor decor. And then add this condition, change the position of move screen to cursor X and cursor Y, which will make it where it always falls around the cursor. So whenever you tap somewhere, this will automatically move there and then it will stick to the floor. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe. If you need any help, comment.